Okay, for our next lesson, we're going to create another project. So what we're going to do is go to project and add Windows Form on the same program, which is under simple program. We're just creating a new form slot. So as you can see here, we have Windows Form and Form 2. So let us name it as at ease or Form 2 and click add. So here, what we're going to do is we're going to use the MDAS operation, or the multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. So it means a simple calculator. So let's try to do this. Put a label, change the text into simple calculation. Okay, so after naming the label, what we're going to do is copy this, Control-C, click, Control-C, then Control-Victory, and rename this as on the text, or the caption will be value, letter A na lang, A, then Control-C, Control-Victory, then change this into letter B, and we're going to add a text box. This will be text box 1, then the other one, we're going to press Ctrl-C and Ctrl-V to make a copy. So again, this is text box 1 and this is text box 2. So we're not going to rename it yet. Later on, we can change that, okay? Then the next one is we're going to create a button under this. So instead of button 1, the caption, we change this into a plus sign by pressing shift and plus sign. Okay, so it means we're going to add a value of A and a value of B, a value of text box 1 and a value of text box 2. So where we're going to put our answer, so let us go to copy text box 2 by clicking this text box and then press Ctrl-C, then Ctrl-V. So let us write it here and copy letter label 3, press again Ctrl-C, then Ctrl-V, and then we're going to rename the text into an answer. So it means that the answer will be displayed on text box 3. So let us try to do example number 1 for addition. So what we're going to do is click, remember this is text box 1, 2. We're going to display our answer on text box 3. So what we're going to do first to call is our answer will be displayed on text box 3. That's why we choose this. Text box 3 is equals to, then we have val, which is pertaining for a value, which is text box 1. That is the first text box that we have. Then text, then plus, then we have val again, then text box 2, the text, and close. So let us try to run the program by clicking again the green arrow. So again, we have, this is the first form that we done. So I'll go back on my Solution Explorer and double click this My Program and go to Start of Form and click Form 2 because we're going to run Form 2 instead of Form 1. So after you click a Start of Form, which is Form 2, click again the green arrow to run the program, and there you go. You will see here form number 2. So let us try to put a value on text box 1, which is 5, and value on text box 2, which is 7. So when we're going to add 5 and 7, it should be 12. So let us try to click the addition button. So you got 12. So that's 5 plus 7 is equals to 12. So let us close this form and go back. The solution is for right click form 2 and go to view design. So let us try to copy this button by pressing again button 1 and press Ctrl C, Ctrl V. Okay, so I'll arrange this first like this. So this one will change into, example, we're going to use a multiplication, or we're going to use an asterisk sign. This is preparing for a multiplication. So we're going to multiply the value of text box 1 to text box 2. So how we're going to code, just double click this button number 2, which is, that is for multiplication. So you can use, example, you did not rename the button or the text boxes that you have. You can put a comment here to assure you that you are on a right buttons or tools. So what we're going to do here is just type this and write this one. This preparing for this area. The operation that we're going to use is addition, and for the button 2 is a multiplication. Okay, so what we're going to do is just copy the formula that we have on our first button, and we're going to change again, highlight, then Control C, then go back to your button 2 and Control Victory. So what we're going to do, same, our answer will be displayed on text box 3. We're going to change the operation into a minus sign. So let us try to run this one. So again, 3, example, the value of text box 1 is 3 and the value of text box 2 is 3. So if we're going to multiply 3 times 3, that is, it should be 9. So then let us click if the answer is correct. Sorry, this is minus pala. We are preparing for a multiplication. So let us try to, sorry for that, let us try to change this into an asterisk instead of getting the difference of the number, because we are pertaining for a multiplication operations. Okay, so again, we change the operation. A while ago it is a minus, right? But we are preparing for a multiplication operation. So we're going to change this. Just highlight and press shift number 8 to change it into an asterisk, and let us run again the form. So we have here, again, that's 3 and 3. So we're going to multiply that, and that is 9. So that is for the multiplication. So let us try to add another 2 remaining operations that we have. We have again, what you're going to do is just press this button, Control C, and then Control V twice. Okay, twice. You're going to rename it, and this one is for the difference, getting the difference, and the other one is getting for a quotient. So again, double click this button, which is button 3, that is getting the difference, right? And again, just highlight this and Control C, then Control Victory, and change down the operation into difference. The other one, we're going to click the last button that we have, which is button 4, that is for getting the quotient. Okay. So again, just highlight and copy, press Ctrl C, Ctrl Victory. Okay, sorry, highlight and press Ctrl C, then Ctrl Victory, and change this into a division symbol. So let us try to run the form. So again, we have, example, I have here 12 and 3. So we're going to click the plus sign for addition,